Hi everybody, this is Annie from Speech, and today I have a fun activity for you with M&Ms. Now, if you don't have M&Ms, it's okay. You can still do this activity with something different. All you need is something that you can sort and count. So you could do something like Skittles, Fruit Loops, Lucky Charms. If you're worried you might not be able to get through it without eating what we're counting, you could do something like Legos or beads that are different colors. Anything that you can sort and count would be great. So, today, some of the things that we're going to work on are following directions, making choices, working on some different concepts, labeling different things like colors. So what you need is whatever you're sorting. I'm going to use some different cups to put the different M&Ms in. That's mostly to work on the concepts of in and out. So if you have cups, go ahead and use them. If not, that's okay. You could just sort them right on your table. And then I just have a little plate here that I'm going to put some of the M&Ms on so that we can sort them. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take some of your M&Ms and you're going to pour them out. You can use however many or little that you want. And this is also a great activity to do with other people in your family. If you have other kids or family members who might like to do this, that's great to get everybody else involved. So once you have everything sorted, I'm going to go ahead and lay my cups out. So we have 6 different colors of M&Ms. So you need 1 cup for every different color of whatever you're sorting. So if you have 4 different color Legos, you can go ahead and have 4 cups or just do 4 different piles. So the first thing that I'm going to do is make a choice. So what color am I going to sort first? These are the 2 that I'm going to pick from. So what colors do I have? I have green. Yep, I have green. And the other color that I could pick from is yellow. So go ahead and you can answer the questions that I'm asking you out loud. You could use your words, you could use your device or your pecs or your signs. And if I'm going a little too fast for you, go ahead and stop the video and then you can start it again when you're ready. So again, my choices were green or yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and start with green, and you can pick whichever color you want to start with. So what I'm going to do is you can see all of my different M&Ms. I'm going to take all of the green ones, and I'm going to put this into this first cup here. All right, you can see I have no green M&Ms left, so now I have to make another choice about what color I'm doing next. So I think the next choices I'm going to make is between what color? Orange and blue. So I think I'm going to make the choice to pick orange. So take all of your orange M&Ms and put them in the cup. Nice job. All right, we have 4 more colors left. Let's see which ones we have next. All right, these are the 2 I'm going to pick from. I'm going to pick between brown and blue. I think I'm going to go with brown. Now, some of them you might have a lot more or a lot less than others. I don't have very many brown ones at all, only 2. All right, I have all my brown ones sorted. Time for my next choice. All right, I'm going to pick between yellow and blue. And I think I'm going to go ahead and pick blue. So I'm going to take all of my blue M&Ms and put them in my next cup. All right, all my blue M&Ms are in my cup. I have 2 left. So these are the 2 colors that are sort of left on my plate. Oh, there we go. All right, I have yellow and red. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of my red M&Ms in this cup. All right, I only have 1 color left. What color is it? Yellow. So I'm going to take all of the rest of my M&Ms that are yellow and put them in my final cup. All right, so you should have everything you're sorted in different cups or in different spots on your table sorted by color. So the next thing that we're gonna do is counting. So you can pick whichever one you wanna start with. I think I'm going to start with green. It's all the way on my left-hand side, on your right-hand side on the video. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump all of my green M&Ms onto my plate. Now, I'm going to count them so that we know how many we have. So I'm gonna pick them up one by one and put them back in the cup, and I'm gonna count them out loud. Ready? You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, I have 9 green M&Ms. And if you want, you can go ahead and you could write down the number for each of your different colors so that you can remember it. Let's hope I can remember on my own. All right, we're gonna go in order and let's see what color we have next. I have orange. So go ahead and take your next color and dump it onto the plate. We're gonna count these again. So we had 9 green. Let's see how many orange we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wow, that's a lot of orange. So if you remember, we had 9 green and 16 orange. Which one did we have more of? Green, that was 9, or orange, that was 16. Which one had more? You're right, orange had more. 16 is more than 9. All right, we're gonna go ahead and count and see which one we have next. I think our next color is going to be brown. If you remember, we didn't have very many brown at all. So go ahead and dump your brown out and we'll count them back in our cup. I have 1, 2, that's all I had. All right, let's see. We had 16 orange and only 2 brown. Which one had less? Orange, that had 16, or brown, that had 2. Which one is less? You're right. Brown 2 is less than 16 orange. All right, let's move on to our next color. Our next color is blue. All right, go ahead and dump your blue M&Ms onto your plate. Let's go ahead and count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, so if you remember, we had 9 green, 16 orange, 2 brown, and 18 blue. Now here's a tough one. We're gonna compare our orange and our blue. We have a lot of both of them, so it's pretty close. We had 16 orange and 18 blue. Which one had more? 16 orange or 18 blue? Which one was more? You're right, we had more blue. 18 blue is more than 16 orange. Okay, we have 2 more left. Let's see what color we have next. We're gonna do red. All right, dump all of your red out onto your plate. Let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we had 10 red. Let's see if we can remember all of our numbers. We had 9 green, 16 orange, 2 brown, 18 blue, and 10 red. All right, let's compare our brown and our red. We have 2 brown and 10 red. Which one is more? 2 or 10? More. You're right, we have more red. 10 red is more than 2 brown. Nice job. All right, we have one more final cup yet left. Do you see what color it is? Our last one is yellow. All right, dump your yellow M&Ms onto your plate. It's our last one to count. Let's go ahead. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's see if we can remember all of the different numbers we had for our colors. All right, let's see. Our first one is 9 green. We had 16 orange, 2 brown, 18 blue. We had 10 red, and we had 7 yellow. Can you tell me which color had the most? And I'll give you some choices. Do you think our most was 18 blue, or was it 9 green? Which one had the most out of all of our colors? You're right, it was 18 blue. Our blue had the most M&Ms. All right, let's see if we can figure out which one had the least. Your choices are 16 orange or 2 brown. Which one has the least number of M&Ms? 16 orange or 2 brown? You're right, 2 brown is the least number of M&Ms that we have. Very nice job. All right, so we've sorted our different M&Ms by colors. We worked on different concepts and following directions. We did an awesome job counting all of them. Now, I also have a sheet that goes along with this activity that has some different questions and some different directions that you can go ahead and do by yourself if you want to do this at another time. Or you can make up any directions or questions that you have. You can work on addition and subtraction with your different colors. You can make patterns with the different colors. Do whatever you want. But at the end, don't forget, you did an awesome job, so go ahead and eat one. Nice job, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.